art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Catnap in the Incredibox Sprunki style. First we're going to get started with the nose, so we're going to draw in a sideways oval right in the center. For the eye on the bottom on both sides, we're just going to curve this line around and then up. Now from here on the inside, from the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Moving in towards the top now, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight. Now let's draw in our mouth. So coming down on the corner from both eyes, we're going to draw in a small curved line for the corner of the mouth. Now closing off the top of the mouth, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then closing off the bottom of the mouth, we're going to again draw in a nice big arch line, just bringing that over and up on the side. Let's close off the tongue now. So we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then to the left of this, we're going to arch this line over. Drawing in the cheeks now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving down again underneath, just curving this line back up. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line over and then in for the chin. Closing off the top of the head now in the center, we're going to arch this line up and then down on the side. And then now again from that point, we're going to replicate that, bringing that over and down. Let's draw on the ears now. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same on the left, arching this line around and then back in on the side. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that, just making it smaller. And now let's draw on the eyebrows with just an arch line that comes across on both sides. Now let's draw on the body. So on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. We're going to replicate that on the right. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line. We're going to draw in the moon pendant. So to the right of this in the middle, we're going to draw in a letter C. And then we're going to connect this from the top, arching this line all the way around and then in on the bottom. Let's draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. For the tail, we're going to arch this line around and then in. Moving up, let's replicate that. And now as we come over on the left, starting on this top line, curving this line out and in. And then moving across on the bottom, curving this line back around and then in towards our top line. And that is it. That's how you draw Catnap in Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.